Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your Honor 400 Pro. So first let's start off by checking the volume levels. So first what you guys can do is making sure that the volume isn't set too low. So as you guys can see now it's at max, so make sure that the medias aren't muted. Now boost them up to 200%, and then what you guys can try is check for do not disturb or silent mode. So go over to the control center. Here you'll have the sound or vibration or silent. Now make sure to change it back to sound. Here open it up a little more, and here you will have do not disturb. So as you guys can see, I enabled it. Now here we have the moon icon, so make sure that there's no moon icon and that the do not disturb is disabled. Both of those settings you can find them in the control center, so there's nothing hard in it. Now check the app volume settings. So if the low volume is only happening in specific apps like YouTube, music apps, or video players, then check the app's internal volume controls. So open the app and ensure that the voice slider is turned off within the app itself. Now what you guys can try is disabling the battery saver mode, because when the battery saver mode is enabled, it can limit performance and reduce the audio output. So go to settings here. Now go over to battery and make sure that there's nothing selected like the performance mode, the power saving mode, and the ultra power saving mode. And here in the battery optimization, make sure to not optimize it. Now here what you guys can also try is going over to the more battery settings, and here what you guys can try is changing those settings here. So now what you guys can try is disabling Bluetooth or wired headphones, because sometimes the Bluetooth headphones can be connected and the phone may be routing sound to those instead of the phone's built-in speaker. So go over to the settings. Now go to Bluetooth and make sure that the Bluetooth here is disabled. So now disable the Bluetooth or then disconnect devices. It doesn't matter, make sure that there's no device in the Bluetooth connected to the phone. So for me, I disabled it, but you guys can simply either unpair or disconnect the device. Now if you use the USB-C adapter, then unplug any wired headphones from it, and now test the sound in different apps. So play video on YouTube or music through Spotify, and make sure that it's not the software issue with the specific app you're using. So test the speaker, then if the volume is still low, then the issue is probably with either the phone settings or the hardware. So now check for software updates, because sometimes the low volume problems can be related to the issues in the software, and they can be fixed through the system updates. So scroll down until you guys see system and updates at the bottom, go to software update, and it will automatically check for you if you're running the latest version of the Magic OS. Now I'll double check it for you guys. So if there's an update for you and it's available to download, then download and install it. It might fix the issue. Now if it still did not fix the issue, then the last resort is to factory reset the phone. So if none of the help before helped you, then factory reset may resolve the issue, but this should be as a last resort. So make sure to back up your data first. Don't leave the system and updates tab yet, because here we can back up our phone like the data backup or backup to Google. Now here click reset and click reset phone. Now click it again, enter the password if you have one, and then click reset or reset but keep eSIMs. So if none of those solutions work for you, then the problem could be the hardware of your phone. It's either the damaged speaker or the internal connection that may be loose. So in this case, visit the service center to get your phone checked by the professional for any hardware issues. And that will be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.